Right. So can I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now understood?
Yes, sir.
What is the coordinate geometry? What we are going to study now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So we are going to study in 10th standard now. Little bit more. So the basics we have already understood now. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Basics of coordinate system. How to represent that coordinate points
Yes, sir.
in coordinate system that we have studied now.
Yes, sir.
Now let us study about the distance formula. Distance formula. So distance formula is what? Finding out distance between 2 points. How to find distance between 2 points in coordinate system, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this formula is applied to find distance
Yes, sir.
between
2 points.
2 points with respect to given coordinates.
Yes, sir.
Given
Coordinate.
coordinates. Okay. For example, suppose point A is there at x1 and y1. Okay. And point B is given to us as x2 and y2. Right? Okay. So suppose this diagram we are making. So this is x dash, this is x, this is y, and this is y dash. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Y dash. Now suppose any point A is there and another point B is here.
Yes, sir.
So this is x2 and y2. This point A is there at x1
Yes, sir.
and y1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the point A x1 y1,
Yes, sir.
B is x2 y2. Right. Now this point x1 y1 means what? Suppose if you are drawing a perpendicular here, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it means this distance is, suppose this is O origin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Suppose you take it as L. This point L. It means what? OL is x1.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? It means x1 is what? OL.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes.
Right. Now,
Y1.
if you y1 is what? AL.
Yes, sir.
This distance is there.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes,
This
sir.
distance is.
Y1.
So you can say
Y1
y1 is equal to
O. Yes.
AL.
Yes.
AL.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now for this point, suppose if you are drawing a perpendicular here, and this is M. It is perpendicular man,
Yes,
huh?
sir.
Okay. Very good. So now in that case, x2 is equal to. Tell me.
X2 is equal to B.
X2 is equal to. X2 is equal to yes.
B.
Arey, x2 is equal to from here to here, na?
Yes, sir.
This distance, na?
OM.
So this distance will be.
OM.
So this distance will be x2.
Yes, sir.
This distance was
X1.
x1.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose you draw parallel line like this. So what it is there? If suppose it is there, so you can say this distance is y2,
Yes, sir.
and from here, if this distance is taken, this is y1 only.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? These
Yes, sir.
two are equal or not?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this is equal to this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So it means x2 is equal to their OM.
Yes, sir.
OM. And y2 is equal to
Y2 is equal to
PM.
PM.
PM. PM.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, very good. So now you have drawn a perpendicular from A. Draw a perpendicular from A to BM. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And suppose this point is D. That point is
B.
D. So now by utilizing Pythagoras theorem here, so we are going to prove, right? We are going to find out the distance.
Yes, sir.
Means formula we want to find out. So now suppose it is there. So in triangle A, D, B,
Yes, sir.
right angle at, tell me,
Right angle D.
at B. That is a right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle, we can say that AB square is equal to, tell me, AD square
plus BC square
plus DB square DB. D is there, na?
Yes, sir.
So AB square is equal to AD square plus DB square. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So AD square plus DB square.
Yes, sir.
Now question arises, we need to find AD is equal to what? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So AD is equal to what?
AD.
So AD is equal to, you can say OM
Yes, sir.
minus
LM.
OM. So AD is equal to LM.
Yes, sir.
And LM is equal to what?
OM.
This we are knowing.
Yes, sir.
This we are knowing.
Yes, sir.
It means what?
Minus.
OM minus OM.
Yes, sir.
So it is giving you what? X2 minus X1.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we need to find BD.
BD.
We need to find BD or not?
Yes, sir.
BD we have found it. DB or BD we have
Yes,
to
sir.
find. Okay. So DB is equal to what? You can say BM minus DM. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. BM minus BM.
So BM is Y2.
Yes, sir. Minus Y1.
DM is Y1. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from here we can write that AD is equal to X2 minus X1.
Yes, sir.
So X2 minus X1 square can be right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Plus DB we will be writing Y2 minus Y1.
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Then this AB square, so AB is equal to what? Plus minus whole root X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now what it is, actually AB is a distance.
AB is
AB is a distance. So negative value is not considered.
Yes, sir.
Negative value is ignored.
Yes.
Only positive value will be there. Okay. So therefore, you can say this will be giving you mod of AB. Okay. AB distance
Okay.
means always positive, right?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to X2 minus X1 whole square plus, better I will write there. So therefore, from here you will be writing here. It means what? AB is equal to X2 minus X1
Yes, sir.
whole square plus
Y1.
Y2 minus Y1 whole square. So by utilizing this formula, we can find out distance between any 2 points. And distance is always straight line distance is there. You cannot say, sir, A is here and B is here, so this distance is like this. No. This distance is only straight line distance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So suppose if it is there, so you can say any other point C we need to find out. Then you can say we can separately find out straight line distance between A and C. Separately we can find out distance between C and B. That is different.
Yes, sir.
But this type of distance it is not giving.
Yes, sir.
This formula is giving you what type of distance?
Straight line.
Straight line distance.
Okay.
Straight line distance. Okay? Right. So just note it down and we will be solving some of the questions from exercise 7.1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.